If the refrigerant level inside your AC unit drops too low, the system won't be able to cool the room effectively. But that's not the only issue. A low refrigerant charge can cause several other problems as well. In this video, we'll go over all of them one by one. There are many possible reasons why the refrigerant level in an AC might decrease. For instance, it could be undercharged during installation, or it might have reduced slightly over time due to temperature changes. However, in most cases, the real culprit is a refrigerant leak. A low refrigerant level can be identified by observing a few clear symptoms. When you turn on the air conditioner, you might notice that the room takes much longer than usual to cool down. Sometimes you'll feel that the AC cools well during the evening, but fails to do so in the morning. That's another possible sign of low refrigerant. If the indoor unit blows warm air instead of cold, it often means the refrigerant level has dropped. You might also notice ice forming on the evaporator coil, which happens when the refrigerant is insufficient and the system can't absorb heat properly. Another sign is a hissing sound coming from either the indoor or outdoor unit. This noise can indicate a leak in the refrigerant line. When the refrigerant charge is too low, the compressor has to run continuously, which not only reduces cooling performance, but also increases your electricity bill. If you suspect your AC might be low on refrigerant for any of these reasons, you can confirm it by checking the system pressure using a pressure gauge. We've already uploaded a detailed video on our channel explaining how to check the refrigerant pressure in an AC unit. You can find the link to that video in the description below. Make sure to watch it if you want to learn the process step by step. If this video helped you understand the issue, please like the video and subscribe to our channel, Intact Knowledge, for more helpful HVAC-related content. Thank you for watching.